everyone, it's Sophie from Sophie's Bakehouse here. Thought I'd do a little show and tell of our boxes this week. I haven't done this before, so I just thought I'd give you a quick run through of what we've got this week. They're all new bakes this week as well that we haven't put on the website before. This is a Cadbury's Crunchie Brownie. It's a lovely bake, really nice. As you can see, you've got a rich fudgy brownie there, and the crunchy's actually baked into the brownie, and then we've got lots of chocolate on the top and even more crunchy, which is lovely. Really nice bake. We've got a Wispa Gold Blondie, and again it's a lovely fudgy bake. We've got a white chocolate Blondie with Wispa Gold through the Blondie and on top, and then a Cadbury spread that's swirled through, and that's a really lovely bake, really nice. And a new one as well for this week is our Biscoff and Gold Bar stuffed cookie slab. And we've got, as you can see, Biscoff spread, Biscoff biscuits and Gold Bar as well in a white choc chip baked cookie dough. And I'm going to actually keep them in this shape because I think they're really, really nice being like in this long bar shape. And you get 2 of those in there. So in total, you get 6 bakes per box. And they're going to be available on Sunday the 23rd of May. Just click the link on the bio. It takes you straight to the website. Or you can go to www.sophiesbakehouse.co.uk. Don't forget Sophie's is spelled S-O-F-I-E. Just like to be a little bit different there. But yeah, we've got a lovely selection gold box. If you can see what I've done there. So we've got the crunchy, we've got the Wispa Gold, and we've got gold bars. So happy ordering, and enjoy when you receive your lovely box. Thank you.